In this video, how to check if a Microsoft 365 tenant name is available or taken. The first and easiest way is to use online services to quickly check the availability of a tenant name. As shown, this tenant name is already taken, while another is available to create a new tenant. The second way is to use a specific URL link. When browsing to an existing Azure AD tenant, XML data will be displayed along with an HTTP status code 200. This indicates that the domain has already been taken and you'll need to try a different one. If you receive a 404 error stating the tenant couldn't be found, the domain name is likely available. The next way is to use PowerShell for scripting or automation to check availability. Lastly, if you already have a Microsoft 365 tenant, you can use it to check if a tenant name is available for creation via Entra ID.